Now, in the previous video, we touched upon the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we are going to go into a little bit detail of how you can customize that. So on your Excel, on the top left-hand corner, you will find the quick access toolbar, which has some of the common actions. Now, if you want to customize this, obviously you can click on this drop down. And let's say, for example, I have to print my document quite often, right? So if I have to actually use the print option, I actually have to go to File, I have to go to Print, then choose my settings and then click on print. So this is actually 3 or 4 clicks that I have to go through. So instead of that, if I can just place this print preview and print option over here. So it's just a matter of one click and document go for a print in one shot. Right. Similarly, if I have a list of records over here, which I have to sort ascending or descending order, usually I go to data and then over here I have the option to do that. So if that's something that you use quite often, what you can do is place that ascending or descending function over here as a quick link. And similarly, you can also reduce the amount of actions which is available over here and just use the ones that you frequently use. Now, when you are using Microsoft Excel going forward, when you get comfortable with it, you might find that there are certain actions here in the ribbon that you use quite often. Let's say, for example, if you go to formulas, there is auto sum that you actually do quite a lot. So instead of going and finding that under a tab or under the home button over here, what you can do is just right click on that action that you use frequently and then click on the option called add to quick access toolbar. So what happens is when you click on that, you will see that the option now is available over here in the quick access toolbar. So this becomes very convenient and you can place the most common used actions on the quick access toolbar. So why don't you go ahead and try it out for yourself.